Today I'm making a nourishing soup for my children. First, I'm preparing the peanut roots. These roots are usually covered with soil, so they need a proper wash before cooking. My son recently told me he is a little concerned about his height compared to some of his classmates. So I decided to cook a traditional soup many older aunties recommended to me over this year. I rinse them thoroughly under running water several times until the water runs clear. We want a nourishing soup, not soil soup today. I'm placing the roots into a soup bag. We don't usually eat the roots themselves, but we want all the goodness infused into the soup. Next, I'm blanching some pork loin. I'm only using a small amount today because I want a lighter soup with more essence than meat. If you prefer a meatier version, feel free to add more. After blanching, give it a quick rinse. This helps keep the soup cleaner and clearer. Do you normally blanch your meat? Share with me in the comment. Now everything goes into the pot. Peanuts roots, peanuts, goji berry, or we call it wolfberries, red dates, candied dates or sweet dates, blanched pork, water of course, the fish bone powder. I'm setting the pressure cooker to soup mode for 20 minutes. Let the cooker do the works. Always a good sign when soup time is near. Yes, the soup is ready. I'm switching to boil mode for more aroma. Adding a little salt to bring everything together. Then let it simmer for another few minutes. Time to serve. Light, comforting, and naturally sweet from the dates and peanuts. If you enjoy simple family recipe like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. As parents, we always try our best in our own little ways. Sometimes it is not about perfection, sometimes it's just a warm bowl of soup made with love. Wishing all our children healthy growth and happy hearts.